appointment hours honors. Uh, important days, national affairs.
ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିବା। ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିବା ଆଗରୁ ଟିକେ ୱାର୍ମ ଅପ୍ କରିବା ଜିକେକୁ ନେଇକି। CHSL एग्जाम किए ଦେଇଥିଲ SSC CHSL रेज करो हैंड। केते स्कोर थिला स्वाधीन?
135.5 ଅଛି।
ଭଲ ଅଛି, କ୍ଲିୟର ହେଇଯିବ ଲାଗୁଛି।
150 ଯାଉଛି।
କହି ତ ହବନି ଯେ ତଥାପି ହୋପଫୁଲ।
ସାର୍ EWS ରେ ପକେଇଛି।
ତଥାପି ହୋପଫୁଲ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
EWS हो कि OBC हो कि जनरल हो, ତିନିଟା ଯାକ ପାଇଁ ହୋପଫୁଲ। ଟିକେ ୱାର୍ମ ଅପ୍ କରିବା। ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ମାଉଣ୍ଟେନିୟରିଂ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଆଡଭେଞ୍ଚର ସ୍ପୋର୍ଟସ୍ ଇଜ ଲୋକେଟେଡ୍ ଆଟ୍ ହ୍ୱିଚ୍ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍? ନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟ୍ ଅଫ୍ ମାଉଣ୍ଟେନିୟରିଂ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଆଡଭେଞ୍ଚର ସ୍ପୋର୍ଟସ୍, ନାଗାଲାଣ୍ଡ, ଅରୁଣାଚଳ ପ୍ରଦେଶ, ମିଜୋରାମ, ହିମାଚଳ ପ୍ରଦେଶ।
हिमाचल
ନାଗାଲାଣ୍ଡ।
प्रदेश।
ଅରୁଣାଚଳ ପ୍ରଦେଶ, ଅରୁଣାଚଳ ପ୍ରଦେଶ। Who was the founder of Arya Samaj?
दयानंद
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 सरस्वती।
सरस्वती।
Dayanand Saraswati. Which state or union territory has the first 100% fully digital literate panchayat in India?
केरला।
हरियाणा
Kerala, bilkul. Kerala has the first 100% fully digital panchayat in India. In which part of constitution will you find fundamental rights?
पार्ट थ्री
पार्ट थ्री।
Part 3, bilkul. The peninsular plateau of India was part of which continent earlier? Peninsular
अफ्रीका।
Africa, bilkul. Peninsular plateau of India was a part of Africa earlier. गोटे चेस बोर्ड रे केतरा स्क्वायर थे?
64ଟା।
64.
64टा।
Who has the power to regulate the right of citizenship in India?
ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ।
Regulate. Power to regulate the right of citizenship in India.
पार्लियामेंट
ଫଣ୍ଡାମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ରାଇଟ୍।
पार्लियामेंट।
Parliament. किए कहला parliament? In which year India hosted Asian Games for the first time?
1951।
बहुत बढ़िया, 1951. In the context of DNA, which principle governs the process of transcription? Transforming principle, principle of complementarity, principle of inheritance, semi-convergence nature of DNA.
ଇନହେରିଟାନ୍ସ।
Which principle governs the process of transcription? The principle of
ଇନହେରିଟାନ୍ସ।
complementarity. Complementarity. Financial year in India starts from 1 April and ends on which day?
मार्च 31।
ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ
31 March.
March.
Sakewa is a religious festival celebrated in which state?
ଅପସନ
Arunachal Pradesh, Goa, Sikkim, Himachal Pradesh.
ଅରୁଣାଚଳ।
Sikkim. Sakewa, Sikkim. Who is the author of the book Brihat Katha Kosh? Brihat Katha Kosh. दंडिन भवाभूति क्षेमेंद्र हरिसेना।
हरिशन।
हरिशन।
सेना बिल्कुल। तो करेंट अफेयर स्टार्ट करिया वार्म अप थिला। अपॉइंटमेंट कहितली ना अपॉइंटमेंट नेशनल अफेयर्स कहितली कि
हाँ।
हाँ नेशनल
Ravi Kota recently took charge as new chief secretary of which state?
कौन कौन
Ravi Kota took charge as new chief secretary of which state? Northeastern state.
ऑप्शन अच्छी
Bihar, Maharashtra, Jharkhand, Assam.
Assam, sir, Assam.
Assam बिल्कुल. Ravi Kota took charge as new chief secretary of Assam. Which state's postal circle released a special cover to commemorate 250 years of copper ticket? Which state's postal circle released a special cover to commemorate 250 years of release of copper ticket? It was world's first postal ticket from that place. Copper ticket. Options are Jharkhand, Bihar, Odisha, West Bengal.
वेस्ट बंगाल
Odisha.
Bihar postal circle released a special cover to commemorate 250 years of copper ticket. Wait a minute. Awards ଥିଲା ନା ଆଜି?
yes
छः बार. Which company became the country's first company to surpass 10,000 megawatt or 10 gigawatt of renewable energy capacity in its operational portfolio? Which
अदानी
company became India's first company to surpass 10,000 megawatt of renewable energy? Adani Green Energy. के कहला?
अदानी
Adani Green Energy बिल्कुल. Which company inaugurated India's first multi-purpose green hydrogen pilot project? Which company inaugurated India's first multi-purpose green hydrogen pilot project? Option ରହିବନି
आरएसी
ହେଲା ସେ ହିସାବରେ
ONGC
आरएसी
ନାଇଁ SJVN Limited କଣ SJVN କଣ सतलुज जल विद्युत निगम
जो
inaugurated India's first multi-purpose green hydrogen pilot project. Which Institute of India launched India's first mobile facility for medical devices calibration? Which Institute of India launched India's first mobile facility for medical devices calibration? IIT Delhi, IIT Madras, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Bombay.
IIT Madras.
IIT Madras, बिल्कुल. Launched India's first medical devices calibration facility on wheels. Which ministry introduced CDP Suraksha? CDP Suraksha, a digital platform to disburse subsidies to horticulture farmers.
Agriculture.
बिल्कुल. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare introduced a digital platform called CDP Suraksha to disburse subsidies to horticulture farmers. Which states Banaras metal casting craft and Tirangi Barfi got GI tag?
उत्तर प्रदेश.
UP.
उत्तर
Uttar
प्रदेश.
Pradesh.
बिल्कुल. एथि सहित टोटाल नंबर ऑफ जीआई टैग्स हेगला यूपी रे 75, जोटा कि मैक्सिमम.
Highest.
हाईएस्ट बंगाल.
Which states Sarthewari metal craft Bihu Dhol got GI tag?
Assam.
Assam.
बिल्कुल. बिहू ढोल, Sarthewari metal craft, Assam Pani Mateka craft, all these got GI tag. Which states Miraj Tanpura and Miraj Sitar got GI tag?
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. Which states Bundelkhand Kathia Gehu got GI tag?
तेलंगाना.
उत्तर
Bundelkhand
प्रदेश.
Kathia Gehu,
उत्तर प्रदेश.
मध्य प्रदेश.
Uttar Pradesh. Bundelkhand Kathia Gehu. Which institute has launched START program, a new introductory level online training program to encourage youngsters to choose the field of space science and technology? START program.
ISRO.
ISRO, बिल्कुल. ISRO launched START training program. START stands for Space Science and Technology Awareness Training. Space Science and Technology Awareness Training. Which defense force of India conducted Bambi bucket operations
एयर फोर्स.
in collaboration with Uttarakhand government?
उत्तर.
बिल्कुल.
एयर
Indian Air
फोर्स.
Force. Indian Air Force conducted Bambi bucket operation to combat forest fires in Uttarakhand. तो स्टेट भी पड़ी पारे उत्तराखंड, किए कंडक्ट कला भी पड़ी पारे. Indian Air Force Chief Vivek Ram Chaudhary inaugurated first ever emergency medical response system at which place? First ever
Uttarakhand.
emergency
Uttarakhand.
medical response system EMRS in
Uttarakhand.
Bengaluru, Karnataka. Bengaluru, Karnataka. First ever emergency medical response system at Command Hospital Air Force in Bengaluru, Karnataka. Which institute partnered with DRDO and inaugurated DRDO Industry Academia Center of Excellence? Which IIT partnered with DRDO and inaugurated DRDO Industry Academia Center of Excellence? IIT Kanpur. Which port of India has been approved as India's first transshipment port?
चिदम्बरम.
Kerala.
Bijinjam Port,
Jump.
Bijinjam Port, Kerala, to operate as India's first transshipment port. India's first Constitution Park was jointly developed by Indian Army and Punit Balan Group. In which place?
Pune.
Pune, बिल्कुल
पुणे
Pune, Maharashtra.
पुणे
India's first Constitution Park. Which company has launched India's first commercial system on chip named Secure Internet of Things? Which company has launched India's first commercial system on chip named as Secure Internet of Things? Mindgrove Technologies. Mindgrove Technologies. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited. କୋଉଠି ଅଛି?
ଗୋଆ
Maharashtra.
गोवा
କୋଉଠି?
Maharashtra 250 ये बोला.
କୋଉଠି ଅଛି?
गोवा वा. Maharashtra.
ମହାରାଷ୍ଟ୍ର ନା ଗୋଆ?
Maharashtra 250 ତାର ଏବେ ଇଏ କଲା annual.
ମୁମ୍ବାଇ ମହାରାଷ୍ଟ୍ର। Who took oath as Prime Minister for the third term?
Modi.
ନରେନ୍ଦ୍ର ମୋଦି। କେତେତମ ଲୋକସଭା ଏଟା ଏବେ?
18th.
18th.
18th, बिल्कुल। How many? Modi ji retained how many ministers in his new
7.
government? हैं?
72 ଜଣ କାଉନସିଲ ମିନିଷ୍ଟର ଅଛନ୍ତି।
କେତେ ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ରିଟେନ୍ କଲେ ପୁଣି ଥରେ?
52.
କ୍ୟାବିନେଟରେ
କ୍ୟାବିନେଟରେ 30 ଜଣ।
11.
ରିଟେନ୍ କଲେ ମାନେ ବୁଝିପାରିଲନି?
ହଁ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଥିଲେ ଏବେ ବି ସେଇଆ ଅଛନ୍ତି।
ସେମ୍ ପୁରା ଯୋଉ ଫିଲ୍ଡରେ ଥିଲେ। କେତେ ଜଣ? 4 ଜଣ। ଅମିତ ଶାହା, ରାଜନାଥ ସିଂ, ନିର୍ମଲା ସୀତାରମଣ ଏଣ୍ଡ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ
ଏସ୍ ଜୟଶଙ୍କର।
ଏସ୍ ଜୟଶଙ୍କର।
ବଟ୍ ଭୂପେନ୍ଦ୍ର ଯାଦବ ତ ଥିଲା ଆଗରୁ, ସିଏ ବି ଅଛି।
ଧର୍ମେନ୍ଦ୍ର ପ୍ରଧାନ ତ ଥିଲେ।
ଅଶ୍ୱିନୀ ବୈଷ୍ଣବ ତ ଥିଲେ ରେଲୱେ ମିନିଷ୍ଟର।
ନାଇଁ ମିନିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ସେମ୍ ଅଛି କି ଯାହା ଥିଲା ପୁରା?
ହଁ ଧର୍ମେନ୍ଦ୍ର ପ୍ରଧାନ ନଥିଲା କି ଏଜୁକେସନ?
ସବୁ ସେମ୍ ଅଛି ଯାହା ଆଗରୁ ଥିଲା।
ମେ ବି ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା ଆଡ୍ ହେଇଛି ଆଉ। ହଁ ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ
ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା
କନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁସନ
ମାନେ
ଆସେମ୍ବଲି
ସେମ୍ ରହିବା ଦରକାର, ପୁରା ସେମ୍, ନା କଟିବ ନା ରହିବ। Nirav Kumar Prasad has been appointed as Chief Secretary of which state? Nirav Kumar Prasad,
ଆନ୍ଧ୍ରପ୍ରଦେଶ।
आंध्र प्रदेश, बिल्कुल। Which state secretariat became India's first eco-friendly state government headquarter?
ଆସାମ।
Assam, बिल्कुल। Assam secretariat became India's first green or eco-friendly state government headquarter. Which state became the first state to give 1 crore accident insurance compensation for employees who die in road accident?
यूपी।
Which state became first state to give 1 crore accident insurance compensation to
ଝାଡ଼ଖଣ୍ଡ।
employees who die in road accident? Karnataka. South India's first leopard safari was launched in which state?
कर्नाटका
Karnataka. Bengaluru, Karnataka. Which state's chief minister inaugurated PM Sri Tourism Air Service?
MP.
MP, Madhya Pradesh. Chief Minister inaugurated PM Sri Tourism Air Service. ହିନ୍ଦୀରେ PM ଶ୍ରୀ पर्यटन वायु सेवा କୋଉ ଏୟାରପୋର୍ଟରେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲା ଇନୋଗ୍ରେଟ୍ ହେଇଥିଲା
भोपाल.
ଭୋପାଳ ରାଜା ଭୋଜ ଇଣ୍ଟରନ୍ୟାସନାଲ ଏୟାରପୋର୍ଟ which state is going to become world's first is going to set up world's first conservation and breeding center for Asian king vultures
उत्तर प्रदेश
यूपी
उत्तर प्रदेश बिल्कुल उत्तर प्रदेश is set to establish Jatayu Conservation and Breeding Center that is world's first conservation and breeding center for Asian king vultures. Which minister of India launched One Week One Theme campaign?
जितेंद्र सिंह
Dr. Jitendra Singh, Union Minister of State Independent Charge for Science and Technology. One Week One Theme, the OWOT campaign. Which organization launched two initiatives under Atal Innovation Mission to foster innovation? ଅଟଲ
SDMC.
ଇନୋଭେସନ ମିଶନ କହିଲାଣି ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ହିଁ ହେଇପାରିବ ନୀତି ଆୟୋଗ ନୀତି ଆୟୋଗ launched Atal two initiatives under AIM that is Atal Innovation Mission to foster innovation. Recently, Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders Limited has been granted Navratna status. ठीक ना भूल
ठीक अच्छे
correct Navratna status मिली Next, Central Electronics Limited CEL has got Mini Ratna status.
ठीक अच्छे
Yes, Mini Ratna one category.
बिल्कुल category 1 Mini Ratna category 1. Recently, Ministry of Coal has commenced India's first ever pilot project for underground coal gasification. In which state?
Jharkhand, Kasta mines.
बिल्कुल
Kasta mines.
बिल्कुल जामतारा कस्टा कोल ब्लॉक इन जामतारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट झारखंड तो स्टेट जरूरी प्लेस जरूरी नुह तो इंडिया's first ever pilot project for underground coal gasification has been initiated in Jharkhand. India's first global center for enterprise risk management is going to be set up in which place? India's first and East India's only global center for enterprise risk management.
मुंबई
बहुत इंपोर्टेंट ओडिशा एग्जाम पाई श्री श्री यूनिवर्सिटी ओडिशा तो India's first global center for ERM that is enterprise risk management is going to be set up in Sri Sri University Odisha. Recently, who was honored with Player of the Year by Hockey India?
हार्दिक सिंह।
बहुत बढ़िया। हॉकी इंडिया बलबीर सिंह सीनियर अवार्ड फॉर प्लेयर ऑफ द ईयर 2023 मेंस वाज ओन बाय हार्दिक सिंह। हु ओन विजडन क्रिकेटर्स ऑफ द ईयर 2024? को माने
शुभमन गिल।
Wisden Cricketers Almanac has revealed 5 Wisden Cricketers of the Year for 2024. କିଏ କିଏ? 5 ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ମିଳିଥିଲା।
शुभमन गिल ଅଛି।
ନାହିଁ, ଇଣ୍ଡିଆର କେହି ନାହାନ୍ତି। ମିଚେଲ ଷ୍ଟାର୍କ, ଉସ୍ମାନ ଖ୍ୱାଜା, ଆଶ୍ ଗାର୍ଡନର, 3 ଜଣ ଥିଲେ ଅଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଲିଆର। ହ୍ୟାରି ବ୍ରୁକ୍ ଫ୍ରମ୍ ଇଂଲଣ୍ଡ ଆଣ୍ଡ ମାର୍କ ଉଡ୍ ଫ୍ରମ୍ ଇଂଲଣ୍ଡ। ଏ 5 ଜଣଙ୍କୁ wisden କ୍ରିକେଟର୍ସ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ଇୟର ଡିକ୍ଲେୟାର କରାଯାଇଛି ବାୟ wisden କ୍ରିକେଟର୍ସ ଆଲମାନାକ୍। ଲରେନ୍ସ ୱାର୍ଲ୍ଡ ସ୍ପୋର୍ଟ୍ସମ୍ୟାନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ଇୟର 2024 କିଏ ପାଇଲେ?
नोवाक जोकोविच।
ନୋଭାକ ଜୋକୋଭିଚ୍। ଫ୍ରମ୍ ହ୍ୱିଚ୍ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରି?
सर्बिया।
सर्बिया।
ସର୍ବିଆ। ଲରେନ୍ସ ସ୍ପୋର୍ଟ୍ସ ଓମେନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ଇୟର?
ऐटाना बोनमाती।
बोनमाती।
ଏଇଟାନା
ମାତି।
ବୋନମାଟି। କୋଉ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରି?
स्पेन।
स्पेन।
ସ୍ପେନ୍, ବିଲକୁଲ। ଲରେନ୍ସ ୱାର୍ଲ୍ଡ ଟିମ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ଇୟର?
ऑप्शन नहीं ऑप्शन।
ଅପସନ୍ ତ ସେମିତି ହେଇଯିବ ଯେ କହିଦେଉଛି। ସ୍ପେନ୍ ଓମେନ୍ସ ଫୁଟବଲ ଟିମ୍।
हाँ हाँ।
ସ୍ପେନ୍ ଓମେନ୍ସ ଫୁଟବଲ ଟିମ୍ ଲରେନ୍ସ ୱାର୍ଲ୍ଡ ଟିମ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ଇୟର। ଏତିକି ଜରୁରୀ। କୋଉ କାନାଡା ପୋଏଟକୁ ଦ ୱାଓ ୱାର୍ଲ୍ଡ ଲିଟରାରୀ ପ୍ରାଇଜ୍ ମିଳିଲା? ୱାଓ ୱାର୍ଲ୍ଡ ଲିଟରାରୀ ପ୍ରାଇଜ୍। ଅପସନ୍ ପସିବଲ ହଉନି ତ ମ୍ୟାନେଜ କରିଦିଅ। ମମତା ସାଗର। ମମତା ସାଗର was awarded wow world literary prize kannada poet। 15th CIDC विश्वकर्मा अवार्ड्स 2024 को ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को मिला? को कंपनी को? 15th CIDC विश्वकर्मा अवार्ड्स 2024। SJVN लिमिटेड। कौन? SJVN लिमिटेड
सतलज जल विद्युत
सतलज जल विद्युत निगम लिमिटेड। ओन 15th CIDC विश्वकर्मा अवार्ड्स 2024। 2024 जॉन एल जैक स्विगर्ट जूनियर अवार्ड को टीम को मिला? को स्पेस एजेंसी टीम को? 2024
इसरो।
जॉन एल जैक
इसरो।
स्विगर्ट जूनियर अवार्ड। चंद्रयान 3 मिशन टीम। चंद्रयान 3 मिशन टीम को मिला 2024 जॉन एल जैक स्विगर्ट जूनियर अवार्ड। साउथ एशियन पर्सन ऑफ द ईयर क्या को मिला? साउथ एशियन
गोटे एक्ट्रेस टा।
बहुत बढ़िया। इंडियन अमेरिकन एक्ट्रेस अवंतिका बंदन अपू। अवंतिका बंदन अपू वाज ऑनर्ड साउथ एशियन पर्सन ऑफ द ईयर। ग्लोबल एनर्जी ट्रांजिशन इंपैक्ट अवार्ड क्या को मिला? प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ कॉप 28 किए?
यूएई।
यूएई रो।
बिल्कुल।
यूएई रो प्रेसिडेंट माने
सुल,
हाँ।
सुल्तान अहमद अल जाबेर। सुल्तान अहमद अल जाबेर won Global Energy Transition Impact Award for his leadership in advancing energy transition। जॉन डिर्क्स कनाडा गार्डनर ग्लोबल हेल्थ अवार्ड 2024 क्या को मिला? जड़े इंडियन माइक्रोबायोलॉजिस्ट। जॉन डिर्क्स कनाडा गार्डनर ग्लोबल हेल्थ अवार्ड 2024। गगनदीप कांग। गगनदीप कांग 2023 AM टूरिंग अवार्ड क्या को मिला? नोबेल प्राइज ऑफ कंप्यूटिंग कहा जाए AM टूरिंग अवार्ड को।